Welcome my friends. Today we got Desert Lizard 100mm dampers which have options to make setups such as droop and sprung. You can see different springs. We have light, medium and hard options. Firstly, if you want to make new setup, we need to unmount the dampers as shown. You can change the springs as you want and try the hardness of damper. This setup is going to be droop, so we will use mid-long springs which go into the oil reservoir directly. Then take the small spring as you like. Place it as shown. Check the springs and traveling of the shaft. If it is okay, open it up again and fill the reservoir with oil as shown. Please pay attention to how it should done properly. Our suggestion is to press the shaft to its limit and screw it as shown, and loosen it for a few turns 4 or 5 times. Release and press the shaft 2 or 3 times and again. While pressing the shaft, screw it. When it's done, release the shaft and press it to its limit as shown. If everything is okay, we can clean the oil from outer damper. Droop setup is quite good for the ones who want to get more performance from their rigs like the LCG crawlers. Now, we are going to make the sprung setup. After filling the oil, if there is no oil leakage when closing the reservoir, there has been an incomplete filling. In this case, it opens again. We have to add oil. In conclusion, with Desert Lizard dampers we can arrange more travel and more droop. Also many spare parts and spring hardness are available. Our setup option is increasing with the springs of different sizes in the package. Brass spindle also provides smoother shaft travel. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, do not hesitate to write a comment.